How to request payment on Square. So if you have a pending payment to be received from someone but they're not letting you take it back, you can actually request them right from the application of Square. So you want to simply open the Square app and you will see this type of interface. You can normally just tap on the charge option that you can see right here. Then once done, you can see connect a reader to swipe, insert or touch, or it says split the amount, right? So you can just select the cash button right over here. Now when you select the cash option on the next page, you can see it says collect cash from customer. As I said, if you have your payment to be received from someone, you can select collect cash from customer. It says you will not receive a deposit for this transaction. Cash payments are recorded for recording purposes only, reporting purposes only. So you can tap the OK button to request the money from someone. So this way you'll be able to request payment on the Square app. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.